Welcome my dear all students. In this class we will be discuss answers for the worksheet 10 matter around us of class 9. Before entering into the topic we have to keep in mind certain important things. For what we are designing these questions are designed to make you to think and you have to have your book in your hand and you have to analyze why these answers are given to this particular question. For that, in this video and most of my videos, I gave the important tips side by side. Observe the diagram and answer the question. Which set denotes the compound? What is the compound? First you have to know. Okay. Then when two or more elements combine, then you will get compound. Look at the diagrams A, B, C, D. Is it a compound? No. It has only single element. Then P, it is combined with two elements combined here. Okay, take into account and come to see only certain elements are combined here but others are left free. So leave it. Then come to this part and three elements combined with another element and you may have a compound here. So only B and D will give you the correct choice. What is the answer for this question? B and D. What is a compound? When two or more elements combine chemically to form new substance, the new substance is called compound. Example C12H22O11, that is sugar. Discuss three elements CHO11. Okay. Then Hershey is a scientist. She invented three substances A, B and C for her experiment. From lab, she obtained a graph which denotes the particle size of the substance. Now, you help her to correlate the substances with the three types of solutions. Look at the particle size. 0.7 for A, B 155 and C nearly it is 70 to 75. I think so. Okay. Then what will be the answer? True solution, suspension and colloids. Why are you choosing this answer? Let us analyze now. If the particle size is less than 10 to the power of minus 7 cm, then it is true solution. Particle size between 10 to the power of minus 7 cm and 10 to the power of minus 5 cm, then it will be colloidal solution. Particle size greater than 10 to the power of minus 5 cm, then it is suspension. Look at the particle size. If it is very less, it is true solution. It is colloidal solution lies between true solution and suspension. Particle size of suspension is the biggest one compared to others. So we have chosen this answer. True solution, suspension and colloid. Vanita prepares two solutions. In beaker A, she dissolves 10 gram of sugar in 100 ml of water. In beaker B, she dissolves 10 drops of milk in 100 ml of water. Then she passes a beam of light through two beakers. Using a torch. She observes that light beam is not visible in beaker A but visible in beaker B. Which type of solution is present in the beaker A? In the beaker A, because sugar with water gives you the true solution. Okay, homogeneous solution. So it is answer is true solution. A sculptor has planned to make brass statues for a children's park. He needed 900 kg of brass. 630 kg of copper is with him. Help him to calculate how much zinc he needs to buy. We know brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Okay, copper he is having 630 kg. He needed 900 kg. Okay, how much he wants? Then if you add 270 kg with 630 kg, then you will get 900 kg. So it is fulfilled. 900 kg. 630 plus 270 gives you 900 kg. So we are choosing 270 kg for this question. Fill in the blanks. LPG is a mixture of butane and propane. The separation method, which denotes the differences in boiling points of the liquid components, is called as simple distillation. Components are separated by physical methods in elements, while the components are separated by chemical methods in compounds. Compounds mixed uniformly and having a single phase is called as homogeneous mixture. Say true or false. 22 karat gold is an element. No, it is false. 24 karat gold is an element. Cream is an example for oil in water type of emulsion. Yes, it is true. Honey is a homogeneous mixture. True. Blue color of the sky is due to Tyndall effect. Yes. Due to scattering of the light, blue colors having smaller wavelengths scattered away due to Tyndall effect. So this is true. And match the following with the methods of separation. Two immiscible liquids can be separated using solvent extraction. Two miscible liquids can be separated using the method called fractional distillation. Soluble solid and liquid. Distillation. Insoluble solid and liquid. Filtration. Very short answers and questions. Then which type of solution shows Brownian movement? The light passing through the colloidal solution shows Brownian movement. So answer for this question is colloidal solution. Blood is a mixture. Do you agree? Give reason. Yes. Blood is a mixture. It is a mixture of various components such as platelets, red and white blood corpuscles, and plasma. Write an application of centrifugation method. It is used to separate cream from milk. Fill the gaps with appropriate weights, mixers. This answer you have to write, okay? Homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture, that is here. Heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture in turn separated into two categories. One is true solution, the other one is alloys. Heterogeneous mixes can be separated into two categories. One is suspension and the other one is colloids. List the type of emulsions with the suitable examples. Oil and water can form an oil-water emulsion. Example, cream, where the oil droplets are dispersed in water. Or they can form a water in oil emulsion. Water in oil emulsion, we can have example, butter, with water dispersed in oil. Which type of solution is a glucose solution? Name the solute and solvent in it. Glucose is a true solution. Solute, glucose, and solvent, water. Why Brownian movement occurs? Colloidal particles are constantly moving here and there, and they take zigzag direction. The Brownian movement of colloidal particles is due to the unbalanced bombardment of the particles by the molecules of dispersion medium. So they are moving here and there and we are getting the Brownian movement. You can check it by spread some anther in water and observe closely. Then you can see the Brownian movement of the molecules. In your village, the supplied drinking water is slightly muddy. Hence, the science teacher asked the students to suggest a few ways to purify the drinking water so that it can be implemented in your school. What is our suggestion? You can use precipitation method, decantation method, and filtration method. Question number 25. These are all the procedure or steps to find the components present in the color markers or jumbled. Then you have to arrange it in the proper order. How can we arrange? Come, let us arrange the in proper order. First, you have to take few strips of filter papers. Draw a line in the lower edge of the paper using different colored markers. Take beakers with little water in it. Hang the filter papers in it so that the papers are just above the water level. Water rises by capillary action and dye also rises along with water. Different dyes are present in the ink. Different dyes have different solubilities. We see different colors at different heights and the dyes are separated. We see different colors on paper. Thus, black colored marker is made up of different dyes. Thus, black colored marker is made up of different dyes. This little video will describe you the steps. Dear students, these are all the steps. Then you can watch carefully. Take few strips of filter paper. Draw a line in the lower edge of the paper using different colored markers. At the lower part, you have to draw different lines. Okay. Then, take beaker with little water in it. It should not be, the level should not be more than this level. Only little water you have to take. Okay. Then after that, hang the filter paper in it so that the papers are just above the water level. Hang the paper inside the beaker. Different dyes are present in the ink. Wait few minutes, then you can see the levels like this. Different dyes are present in the ink. Different dyes have different solubility, so that they are having different levels. Depends on the solubility, the level varies. We see different colors at different heights, and dyes are separated. From this pot, the dyes are separated like this. Then we see different colors on the papers, is it not? We are having different colors on the papers. Where they are come from? They are come from this pot or black line. Thus, black colored marker is made up of different colors. These are all the steps given in our worksheet book. Thank you for watching, and I will be with you with another worksheet. Until then, bye from Sangeeta Gopshittipalayam.